A small, golf ball-shaped metal ball revolutionized the typewriter in the 1960s. Unlike older typewriters that used rods and often jammed when typing quickly, this technology encapsulated 88 characters in a single ball. When a key was pressed, a mechanical system calculated the character's position using binary code. The ball then rotated and tilted to print the letter onto the paper via an ink ribbon, returning to its starting position in just 20 milliseconds. This eliminated jamming and significantly increased speed. With this machine, typists could achieve 90 words per minute, about 40 words faster than traditional typewriters. Furthermore, the font could be changed simply by replacing the ball, making it more practical and cost-effective.